The addition of this Wooster, Ohio facility is by far the biggest expansion project so far for the Alamo Group Snow and Ice team.
We knew we had to do something to answer the demand, and we needed to act quickly. With over 400,000 square feet, this facility will help us reduce our lead time for most of our products. We're lucky that there was already a team in place to do the transition within the Snow and Ice team with a lot of experience.
Hi, I'm Jim Miller. I am the operations manager. I've been here going on year number 39. So yeah, I've seen a lot of changes, but it's exciting. And you know, with the whole Snow Group team, we've got a lot of new things we're learning. So hopefully we'll be a big asset and we can take it to the next level. So at this plant, we're doing all the industrial stuff. We're doing big stuff. We do a lot of snow plows. We do push bars. We do salt boxes, basically anything they ask. We're in overflow. We're trying to get everything started new off the ground here, and I think we're going to be able to take it to another level. We're pushing out quite a few plows a week, and yeah, keep bringing the work, and I think we'll be able to meet all their expectations.
This is a really exciting project for us. There's already 60 people in place in that facility, and we're looking to double that by the end of the year. On top of doing manufacturing of our plow product, of our spreaders, we're looking to bring upfit in that facility to take care of all of our U.S. customers.
Everything starts in the fabrication end of it. We have all of the CNC equipment, mills, lathes, everything from the ground up. It's literally coming in from a flat sheet of steel. Going through our sheet metal, we have a 10,000 watt Bystronics laser. It'll cut 1-inch steel like butter. So that's where everything goes through. We have 5 CNC press brakes that goes through, and then it goes through a welding process. We have 3 different welding departments, anything from 12 gauge up to, you know, 1.5 inch thick. We have everything covered through the welding process. And then we come over here to the paint end of it where we do powder coat paint. This is something special. Our powder coat paint is a big deal to us. It's a multi-million-dollar powder coat paint system. It's a big deal. We have a 5-stage wash that goes through. It goes into a dry-off oven. It goes into an environmental room. We are not exhausting any fumes into the environment. That's a big deal for us. So what's nice about this plant as far as location, Wooster, Ohio is very centrally located. It's 1 hour south of Cleveland, 1.5 hours north of Columbus. It's 2 hours to Pittsburgh, 4 hours to Indianapolis. It just works. It works with getting material in here, and it works with shipping material, finished product out of here.
At the end of the day, we're really just looking to satisfy our client with quality product delivered on time. And this is a big step in the right direction for the Snow and Ice team.